In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WebFlow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a background video to a WebFlow page, starting right from a quick Google search and finishing with your video uploaded and playing in the designer. Begin by opening your browser and searching for WebFlow on Google. Click through to the official WebFlow site and sign in if you're not already. Once you're on your dashboard, open the project you want to work on, then choose the option to view the site inside the designer. That's where you'll make layout and content changes. Inside the designer, look for the Add panel. You can open it by clicking the plus icon, usually found along the left side of the interface. This panel is your library of elements, from basic text and images to more advanced components. Rather than scrolling through everything, use the search bar at the top of the panel to move faster. Type the words background video into the search field. You'll see the background video element appear in the results. Click it to select the component. WebFlow will place it on your page, typically where your current selection or cursor is. If you're planning to put text on top of it later, remember that subtle, slow-moving footage often keeps things readable. With the background video element selected, you'll see an option to upload a video file. Click the Upload button. Choose a short, loopable clip from your computer. MP4 with H.264 encoding is a reliable choice, and keep the file size as lean as possible for faster loading. As a general rule, compress your video before uploading and aim for a small file size without sacrificing too much visual quality. Keeping it under a few dozen megabytes helps maintain performance. After you confirm the file, WebFlow will upload and process it. Then it will begin playing right inside the designer so you can immediately see how it looks in context. Background videos are designed to autoplay and loop without sound, which keeps your page experience smooth and distraction-free. If your clip includes quick cuts or heavy motion, consider choosing a calmer alternative to protect legibility for any content placed in front. That's it. You searched for WebFlow, opened your project in the designer, used the Add panel, found the background video component by typing its name, clicked it to insert, and uploaded your video file. Follow these steps anytime you want to add dynamic, lightweight motion to a section of your site. Thanks for watching, and happy building!